right? When you're trying to figure out what is the center of the data, then that means you're calculating one of these three things. And this is the part you probably did this before, right? The mean, the median, and the mode, right? The mean is the average. The median is the middle value. And the mode is the most common value. Okay, now, in the book has actually got some things in it that are not correct when it comes to this stuff. If I wanted to know what is the average height of all high schoolers in this country, that would make the population all high schoolers in this country. Okay. When you're talking about the mean of a population, you use the Greek letter, in this case, mu. That means the mean for a population, right? When we just like reach into our class of 21 and say, what is our average height? That is actually X bar, right? That is the mean height of a sample, not the whole population, just the sample. In fact, you call the mean height of the whole population is called a parameter, and the mean height of the sample is called a statistic. Right? That's a statistic. You know, most of the time when you're doing this, the whole point of doing this exercise is usually because you want to find out what is the mean height of a population, right? And it's just you're trying to grab what you've got in front of you to see whether you might learn something about it. So, unfortunately, on your formula sheet, they definitely use mu there, right? Represents the mean of a data set. That's not actually correct. Mu should have been the mean of a population, but for our purposes, it's fine. But when you get in your calculator, actually, they use X bar, right? So you're going to see this in the calculator when you're looking for the mean. You're going to see this on the formula sheet. For our purposes, it's pretty much the same thing. When you get to statistics, which I hope you do one of these years, take statistics, you'll find out there's a little bit of a difference in those two. Okay,